Hi everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today is Saturday and I'm bringing you another weekly update. I'm really liking this series because for one, it's helping keep me on track, and number two, it's keeping me honest. So that's two huge things for me, and it's starting my new year off perfectly. So we're going to jump right in. I want to keep these as short as possible, but yet keep you guys up to date as to what's going on with me and how I am progressing on my journey each and every week. So I have, if you can see, I have two notepads. I have one with a list and then one with last week's list, so that I can try to keep it, keep everything on track for both of us. So the first thing that I'm going to share with you is our dinner menu this week. I think that that's probably what a lot of people want to know, what we're going to have for dinner next week. So I think that's always a good place to start. So this week we're going to have white chicken chili, and that's a new recipe for me. So I am going to try to be filming that. Chicken tacos, cheeseburgers, chicken and bean burritos, and I know you're probably thinking that's a lot of chicken, but I'm going to make extra chicken with the chicken tacos and then repurpose those into the bean burritos. And then we're either going to have turkey breast or turkey club sandwiches. I haven't decided which ones yet, but that one sounds like a really yummy menu. All right, so that is our menu this week. Now, our menu last week, I know you probably want to know how we did last week. And our menu last week was Sloppy Joe's chili dogs, spaghetti, chicken fajita rice, and turkey breast. You can see turkey breast is on the menu again this week, so what does that tell you? So we did have 3 out of the 4 dinners, but I did have leftovers one day, and my granddaughter came over, so her and my husband he just grabbed dinner on the way home for them on Thursday when I did my workshop. So the chicken fajita rice, I'm hoping that's going to be either tonight or tomorrow night's dinner. So I will definitely film that. Again, that's going to be an Instant Pot recipe, and I swear that's coming. It's coming. I already bought the stuff for it, and I definitely want to use those peppers up before they go bad. So hopefully tonight. That's what I'm hoping. All right, so that takes care of our dinner menus last week, this week. Oh, so this is something new I decided to start sharing with you. So during COVID, I had put on a few pounds. I think I've mentioned that before, not super happy about it. So I'm happy to say that I'm down 1.5 pounds since last week. So that is great. I'm gonna put a little chart up here. And I'll continue to fill that chart out each and every week and then put a grand total at the bottom. So we'll see how that goes. And hopefully I can get back down to where I want to be before spring hits. That's my goal. I want to be back where I want to be. And there's like a magic number in my head. So just let me know. I will share with you my weight loss or my weight gain each and every week during these updates. Books I'm reading. I'm still reading the Mrs. Peregrine's Peculiar Children series. I'm still on that 3rd book. It was like 14 hours of listening time, so long. I'm down to the last 8 hours, and I'll put a screenshot here. Of the book. You're going to hear weird sounds. I've been trying to film this all day. My husband is gutting our bathroom upstairs. Tub came out. All the tile was busted off the walls. He's busting out drywall earlier today. No idea what he's doing right now, but he's continuing to gut the bathroom. Super excited, new bathroom. I'll show you the final product when that's finished as well. I don't know when that'll be. He's doing it on the weekends, so you know how that goes. All right, back to the books. All right, so Library of Souls is the 3rd book in that series, and it's by Ranson Riggs. And again, I'll put the screenshot. You'll have seen that, so you'll see that. The next book that is on my list is called Essentialism, and that's by Greg McCowan. And again, here's a screenshot. And that one we are doing a book club at work for. So I've already read it, listened to it, but I think I'm going to listen to it again so that it's fresh in my head before we do the book club at work. And I am one of 3 hosts for that book club, so definitely want to make sure that's fresh in my mind. All right, so that's the books that I'm reading. Water Habit and Workouts. Water Habit, nailing it. So sorry about this noise, but if I don't get this filmed now, it's not going to get filmed. So Water Habit, nailing it still. I'm really good with that. So I may update you on this one. I don't know if I'm going to continue updating because I think I've got that one down pat. Workouts, 1 workout this week. So if you're keeping track, that was 2 last week and 1 this week. I'm telling you, I don't know what my problem is, but I'm going to try to focus on it better this week. So wish me luck there. We also had the discussion last week, and I had asked your opinion about purple versus green versus blue. And I've been teeter-tottering between purple and blue, and a lot of you I have said blue. So let's see. I'm going to kind of continue with purple. We're going to see how that goes for me, but if something starts stalling or I start struggling, I may flip-flop back to blue. So I just want to give you a little heads up on that. Not sure if I'm going to do it, but I'm considering it. Like my little sticky notes, I'm kind of doing it over. I have my master list of what I want to keep you up to date on, but the things that I want to kind of chit-chat with you about, I'm trying to make sure that I don't forget anything, because sometimes I watch channels and I really want to hear what they've done from one week to the next week, and sometimes they forget to say something. I'm like, no, that's why I tuned in, because that's what I wanted to hear. So I'm going to do my best. If I ever don't remember to fill you in on something, please leave me a comment below and I'll include it on the next week. All right, so decluttering home updates, which has been tough because, again, that upstairs bathroom is a project. So I am making headway in my basement. I have 4 tubs ready to go again for this week's donations. And again, it's old toys that the kids held on to. It's cookware and clothing. It's just things that we're not using that are just sitting down here in tubs. And that's basically what I'm doing. I'm unloading the tubs, and anything in it that I'm like, why did I hold on to it? It's automatically going back into one of the empty tubs to get rid of. There's no reason for me to have that stuff here. And some of the things are decorative items that I'm not using. And I'm sure that somebody is going to be super excited to come across that at Salvation Army or Goodwill or wherever I'm donating to this week. I've donated to Purple Heart last Monday, and then I think this load's going to go to Salvation Army. I'm going to have my husband help me carry it up to the car, and then I'm going to run by there and drop that off one day this week coming. So it's coming along. And my find of this week, you guys ready for this, is I found my Game Boy SP. I think that's XSP. I'll take a picture of it and I'll put it here. But that was super exciting. I think that I looked it up today, and that Game Boy came out in 2003. So still works. I charged it up. My granddaughter actually played with it this morning, so it was super fun to watch her be excited about Pac-Man and Super Mario, and I have Bookworm on there. Trust me, I'm going to be playing it myself. All right, so I think that's it. I don't know how long I've been going for, but I think I'm going to wrap this up here. Please leave me some comments below. Let me know if there's something else that you want me to update you with. I did get feedback. A lot of you said that you would like for me to go live on YouTube. So I'm going to try to figure out when I can do that, hopefully when none of this is going on. And I'll schedule that and let you know in advance when I'm going to be doing that. So again, don't forget, thumbs up, comments. Let me know if you like this series. I'm liking it. I'm totally loving it, and I may continue doing it week to week, because of the fact that, again, it's helping me stay on track. And if you didn't catch my meal prep from last week, I'll link that one below. And having that meal prep done kept me on track, and I guarantee you that's what attributed to this week's weight loss. So that's enough. That sounds sorry, so sorry. Signing off. Hope that you have a great week, and we will talk to you and see you next video.